what's new for 2013? You've got traction control, a drive mode selector now, sport and touring for a drive setting. Also has cruise control, which is a nice feature if you're out there tearing up the miles on the interstate. We've also updated the windshield. Now goes up and down a little quicker. And the bodywork has also been updated. You can tell a little more contemporary, a little more adjustability in the panels for better air cooling. The seat is adjustable, right? Goes up and down about an inch. So a real versatile motorcycle if you're looking to do some sport touring. FJR's been around for 8 or 9 years, real reliable. It's a 1300cc inline 4, about 125 horsepower. Terrific machine for putting miles on the road.